Welcome to the kingdom of the Palmyra tree, an iconic symbol in the landscapes of Southeast Asia and India. The Palmyra palm, scientifically known as Borsis flabellifer, stands tall and majestic, serving as an economic pillar in these regions. With over 800 documented uses, the Palmyra palm is deeply woven into the cultural and economic fabric of Cambodia and India. Today we will delve into two of its most prominent uses: the extraction of sugary sap, known as toddy, and the harvesting of its fruit. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Palmyra palm is the extraction of toddy, a sugary essence obtained from its young inflorescence. This process is labor-intensive and requires great skill and courage, as it involves climbing the tall trees, often over 30 meters high. In India, toddy tapping is a traditional practice passed down through generations. The toddy harvesting process begins at dawn. Tappers climb the tree using ladders or makeshift harnesses made of strong fibers. Upon reaching the top, the tapper makes a small incision in the inflorescence and attaches a clay pot or a bamboo container to collect the sap. This process is repeated on several trees, which are often connected by ropes, allowing the tapper to move from one tree to another without descending to the ground. Toddy is typically collected twice a day, at dawn and dusk. Once the sap is collected, it is brought down to the ground and filtered to remove any impurities. The filtered sap can either be fermented to produce a popular alcoholic beverage known as arak, or boiled down to produce jaggery, also known as palm sugar. Arak production involves allowing the filtered sap to ferment naturally in large earthenware pots or barrels for several days. This results in a strong alcoholic beverage that is enjoyed locally for its unique, rich flavor. For jaggery production, the filtered sap is poured into large iron pans and boiled over an open fire. As the water evaporates, the sap thickens into a rich, golden brown syrup, which is then poured into molds to cool and solidify. This process requires constant attention and skill to ensure the syrup does not burn. The final product is a natural sweetener, prized for its distinct flavor and nutritional benefits. In 2023, India produced approximately 1.5 million tons of jaggery, with a significant portion derived from Palmyra palms. This industry not only provides livelihoods for thousands of families, but also supports the local economy through both domestic consumption and export. In addition to toddy, the Palmyra palm yields a fruit that is highly valued in local cuisine. The fruit is harvested during the summer months when it reaches full maturity. The outer shell of the fruit is tough and fibrous, but inside lies a treasure trove of sweet, jelly-like seeds and a fibrous pulp that can be eaten raw or roasted. Harvesting the fruit involves climbing the trees using the same methods as toddy tapping. Workers use long poles with hooks to pull down the fruit clusters, or they may climb the tree to cut the clusters directly. The fruits are then gathered and transported to processing areas where they are cleaned and prepared for consumption. The jelly-like seeds, often referred to as ice apple or nungu, are a popular delicacy in India. They are consumed fresh, offering a refreshing treat during the hot summer months. The seeds are also used to prepare various desserts and beverages. Additionally, the fibrous pulp of the fruit is used to make a variety of traditional dishes, including sweet puddings and savory curries. To prepare the classic palm fruit with ice and sugar syrup, start by thoroughly rinsing the fresh palm fruit seeds, and if large, slice them into bite-sized pieces. In a saucepan, combine equal parts sugar and water to create a syrup, stirring until the sugar dissolves, then let it cool. In a serving glass, layer the palm fruit seeds at the bottom, followed by a generous amount of crushed ice. Drizzle the cooled sugar syrup over the ice, and for a richer flavor, add a splash of coconut milk. Garnish with pandan leaves for a touch of aroma and elegance. Serve immediately to enjoy this refreshing, sweet treat, perfect for cooling down on a hot day. Despite these innovations, the essence of toddy tapping and Palmyra fruit harvesting remains deeply rooted in tradition. It is a way of life that has been passed down through generations, preserving the cultural heritage and providing a source of income for many rural communities. The Palmyra palm is more than just a tree, it is a vital part of the agricultural and cultural landscape of India and Southeast Asia. The practices of toddy tapping and Palmyra fruit harvesting showcase the ingenuity and resilience of the people who rely on this remarkable tree. As we continue to appreciate and support these traditional practices, we help sustain the livelihoods of countless families and preserve a rich cultural heritage for future generations. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the kingdom of the Palmyra tree. We hope you have gained a deeper understanding of the significance of this incredible tree and the intricate processes involved in harvesting its bounty. As we conclude, may the rich heritage and diverse uses of the Palmyra tree inspire you to appreciate the natural treasures around us. We look forward to exploring more of nature's wonders with you in our future journeys.